Do you remember a time when the world was alive with wonder, mystery, and miracles? A time when you believed you could do anything. You could achieve all your heart's greatest desires. And you knew with total confidence that unicorns, dragons, and fairy godmothers weren't just the making of storybooks. No, in your mind, magic was real. But as you grew older, the world of wonder and possibility you once held dear was taken from you, ripped away, and stolen. You were told to color inside the lines, play within the rules, and become realistic with your dreams. Gone was the childlike awe and curiosity. Gone was the dreamlike creativity. Gone were the unique gifts you were put here on this earth to share. But what if you could get it all back? What if I could share a secret with you that could instantly make you believe again? Believe in real-life magic. Well, today, you're about to experience a magical, a mystical, a thrilling, once-in-a-lifetime remembering, unlike you've ever experienced. Starting in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a sacred secret that will feel like a magic wand from the fabled world of Atlantis has fallen safely into your possession. And suddenly you can bring anything and everything you've ever desired to life, and do it all starting in just seconds. 5 seconds to be precise. Yes, my dear one, the secret I'm about to share with you will feel so quick, so simple, and so easy, it's like all you have to do is just wave your wrist, and presto, your new chariot appears before you. Abracadabra, the keys to your cozy dream castle flashes into existence. Shazam! As if by magic, your kingdom of limitless wealth manifests before your eyes. Oh, and let's not forget, more than just material possessions. You may even find your Prince Charming or beautiful princess galloping into your life. As you're about to discover, this secret really does feel that easy, and in just a moment, you're going to experience it for yourself.